Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Learn Quran and talk to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Lesson number 22. Learn Quran without grammar. Prefixes. Prefixes are used before the words. Alif, ta, ya, noon are prefixes in Arabic language. Alif mean I, ta mean you, ya mean he or they, and noon mean we. We have learned 3 fatha words in lesson number 1. 3 of fatha words have fatha on each letter. Example is zalama. Zalama mean he oppressed in past tense. When we attach alif, ta, ya, noon, then it will change in present tense. We attach a thin letter with zalama, it becomes aslamu. Fatha of first letter will change into jazm, and fatha of last letter will replace with samma. It becomes aslamu, which means I oppress. Aftahu, I open. Taftahu, you open. Yaftahu, he opens. Naftahu, we open. Taftahuna, you open for plural. Yaftahuna, they open. Af'alu, I do. Taf'alu, you do. Yaf'alu, he does. Naf'alu, we do. Taf'aluna, you do for plural. Yaf'aluna, they do. Next examples are ansuru, I help. Tansuru, you help. Yansuru, he helps. Nansuru, we help. Yansuruna, they help. Tansuruna, you help for plurals. Aj'alu, I make. Taj'alu, you make. Yaj'alu, he makes. Naj'alu, we make. Yaj'aluna, they make. Taj'aluna, you make for plural. Akfuru, I disbelieve. Takfuru, you disbelieve. Yakfuru, he disbelieves. Nakfuru, we disbelieve. And so on. There are other examples. Qala change into aqulu, mean I say. Taqulu, you say. Yaqulu, he says. And naqulu, we say. Yaquluna, they say. There is a spelling mistake in they say. Taquluna, you say. A'budu, I worship. Ta'budu, you worship. Ya'budu, he worships. Na'budu, we worship. Ya'buduna, they worship. Ta'buduna, you worship. Here is another mistake. They is repeated. You worship. Ta'buduna mean you worship. And this is the plural. Next is amana, change into umina, mean I believe. Tu'minu, uminu, I believe. Tu'minu, you believe. And yu'minu, he believe. Nu'minu, we believe. Yu'minuna, they believe. Tu'minuna, you believe for plural. Attabi'u, I follow. Tattabi'u, you follow. Yattabi'u, he follows. Nattabi'u, we follow. Yattabi'una, they follow. Tattabi'una, you follow for plurals. Subscribe, like and share my channel. Allah Hafiz.